dizziness, sleepless nights, hypertension. Pregnant women in Delhi slums are already bearing the brunt of temperatures beginning to breach the 40 degrees Celsius mark in the national capital. While some struggle to sleep at night, waking up repeatedly as the discomfort caused by heat and humidity amid pregnancy makes it impossible to lie still. Others say they find themselves battling restlessness and anxiety due to the weather conditions.
घबराहट होती, नींद नहीं आती, रात को उठ के बैठना पड़ता। हाँ,
घबराहट होने की वजह से कभी डॉक्टर के पास ऐसा हुआ जाना पड़ा?
नहीं, डॉक्टर के पास तो नहीं जाती, क्योंकि डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे वो क्या बोलेंगे, गर्मी में घर चेंज करो, कहीं और अच्छे, गर्मी का मौसम में क्या कर सकते हैं, हवा में बैठो। अब एक कूलर ही है जो है थोड़ा बहुत।
बेचैनी होती है और उलझन सी गर्मी सी लगती है, सांस फूलने लगती है ऐसे। हाँ, घबराहट सी।
कभी ऐसा ये क्या कहते हैं, नींद वगैरह ठीक से आती है?
नींद तो मैं सोती ही कम हूँ। हाँ, अब जैसे रात में यहाँ कल आए, यहाँ पे काफ़ी बेचैनी सी हो रही थी, गर्मी लग रही थी।
Public health professionals say dizziness, vomiting, and loss of consciousness are warning signs pregnant women should not ignore during extreme heat, noting that increasingly unpredictable climate patterns are making heat stress more concerning.
When we see the impact of the heat stress on the pregnancy, so it impacts in two manners. One is the impact on the pregnant woman per se, and then impact on the which is a fetal, which is inside the pregnant woman. So it has a dual impact. So first, higher heat exposure, or what we call as a heat stress or extreme heat, that can impact in the form of dehydration, dizziness, vomiting. So general health symptoms can there. If there is a severe impact, it can lead to the heat stroke also. Second, in the pregnancy, when the heat stress exposure is higher, particularly in the second trimester, so it might impact the congenital formation of the newborn, and that might lead to the congenital malformation.
Speaking about preventable measures, health experts say greater awareness is needed among communities and women about the impact of heat on pregnancy. They highlight that simple measures such as low-cost cooling solutions, improved roofing and shade at workplaces can help reduce heat stress.
So there is need to generate a good awareness about it, and health seeking. Health seeking is important. Most of the time, such population ignores, health seeking by taking this as a normal course. So it is important to seek health and identify the danger signs. For example, dizziness, vomiting, loss of consciousness. These are the danger signs of extreme heat exposure. So one should definitely seek health and go to the in the shadow place where the direct sunlight exposure is not there. Keep the hydration. These are the things which are required as a mitigation measure for heat exposure during pregnancy.
Meanwhile, according to environmentalists, heat impacts women far more, with studies showing they are 14 times more likely to lose lives to climate change events, including heat.
Heat impacts women much more, and the data is showing that women are 14 times as much likely to lose their lives to climate change events, including heat. As a pregnant woman, your body is already under a lot of strain, and on top of that, you have factors of heat pushing up your heartbeat. Sometimes you have preterm babies, sometimes stillborn babies. Your blood pressure is not all normal. You have breathing effort problems. In fact, air pollution in this heat changes its form, and you have lots more ozone. So all of these factors come down on women.
With temperatures in Delhi expected to soar even further this year, the crisis is unfolding quietly in its most vulnerable corners. For pregnant women already at risk, extreme heat is turning everyday survival into a challenge.